What's going on, guys? TreyMay10 here, back again with another mystery pack unboxing. Today we've got another Gudetama, the lazy egg. There's some of, what you can get. And then I found this little Dragon Ball Z, well, Dragon Ball Super, I'm sorry. It says buildable figure, so we'll see what that's about. And then another Rick and Morty Funko box. And then also a Cuphead Funko box. Let you see the possibilities. And we'll go ahead and get cracking. We'll start with the Rick and Morty. And oh, nice, we got Jaguar. Let you see him. That was the if you watched the last one, I got 3 of these, and I got the 2, I don't know what are, dang, that's unfortunate. My suction cup doesn't want to suction right here. But yeah, that was the last exclusive from Target that I could have gotten. So that's pretty awesome. I like that. And I like Jaguar. That was a great episode, Pickle Rick. And now we'll move on to the Cuphead. I've actually gotten 2 of these Cuphead ones, and in both of them I got the genie. Oh, this time we got the dice guy. What's his name? I don't remember. But that's a cool one, I like that. Alright. Next we'll do the Dragon Ball. And it looks like I cracked it on the way from the store. That's unfortunate. Man. Alright. Pop that open. Oh wow. And it looks like we got a Black Goku. I think that's what you call him. Now I see what they mean by buildable. Comes in 3 parts. How? Man, they really don't want you to open this up. And it also came with one of the little chains. Go ahead and, oh yeah, that fits right together. And then yep. Oh wait, maybe oh there we go, I think I got it. I might have to mess with that later. That's pretty neat. I like that. Let you get a closer look. And then on to our last one, the Gudetama. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Oh, no way. This is the one I got last time. His little butt cheeks. Alright. That concludes that episode of unboxings. And hopefully I should have some stuff in the mail tomorrow to do some unboxings of, so look forward to that. Trey May 10 signing off.